Busch Gardens Williamsburg. We're going to take it from the entrance to Busch Gardens Williamsburg to Finnegans Flyer. So I'm going to give you a walking tour, walking directions from the entrance to Busch Gardens Williamsburg to Finnegans Flyer. It is summer 2025. Finnegans Flyer, screaming swing. And let's go. So you get to this first part right here. You can go right, straight, or left. We're going to veer to the right. I'm going to speed it up a little bit and just follow our lead. Here we go. It's pretty much right on the right. You go down a little hill and across this little bridge, and there we have the screaming swing, Finnegans Flyer, Ireland, part of the park. POV, Finnegans Flyer. It's called the Screaming Swing for a reason. If we look up, that's where we see how high this monster is. It opened 2019. And we're gonna look straight ahead. Right, here we go. Finnegans Flyer, 5.3K, Busch Gardens Williamsburg, summer 2025. Started up.
Platform clear.
Huh?
Now hold on tight as you soar high over the Celtic coast on Finnegans Flyer.
Both hands up.
Hold on tight. Oh, turtle! I saw a turtle!
Everybody saw the turtle.
There's a turtle!
There he is. It's two turtles. Yes, it is. Two turtles. There are two turtles.
Where?
Alright, that is it. We're going to speed it up a little bit. We're going to try to get you on the other side.
Welcome back. Please remain seated.
Go, we're going to
Now
use
hold on tight
other
as you soar
side
high over the Celtic coast on
Ireland part of the park.
Two turtles.
Hands up, eyes open. We got about 5 more. Eyes open. It's so much, the other side is so much higher.
Yeah, close.
Finnegans
Welcome
Flyer,
back.
5.3K.
Please remain seated until the ride has come to a complete
Like and
stop.
subscribe. I'm going to
At
speed
that
it up a
time,
little bit.
please unbuckle your seat.
That was Finnegans Flyer. As you can see, there's two cars, trains, whatever you want to call them, not trains. It's way up. Please like and subscribe. Got all the walking directions, all the videos